Hello everybody, welcome back. So for today's video, I thought we could do a Boxycharm, not an unboxing because I've already used everything, clearly it's on my face. I know a lot of people don't really watch my Boxycharm videos, but this one I'm really excited about. I didn't do last month's Boxycharm because I was excited about it. I get excited every month because there's new things to try, but I wasn't like as excited about that one as I am this one. This one, I was like, bitch. Like, I was really excited to get it. And even like my last one, I still haven't even used the palette. I got some things like the mascara and the lipstick I was excited about, but I was like they're kind of backups for me right now. Like, I had a Lolita that you guys know I love, but I already have an open one, so I'm just saving it. The mascara, I'm super excited to try, but I still have like other mascaras that I'm using at the moment. I was like, I'm just gonna skip October's, but November's I'm like just so crazy excited about. So I already have my makeup done. I've already used everything, so I'm also gonna review it for you. This eye, I accidentally looked up while my lash glue was drying. I was so mad because I can't get this off, and I've tried to go over it. I tried to let it dry and then scrape it away, but you know, it is what it is. I'm not gonna redo my whole entire eye, but just know that this looked cute until that happened. So let's just go ahead and jump in, and I'm gonna go ahead and just let you guys know my thoughts on the products that I used, kind of like a little review, if you will. And this is a really good one. I'm really excited about everything except for one product. Oh, I think my Sephora order's here. Oh, yes! Hold please. I think I'm at the point where FedEx, UPS, and the post office is like, how much does this bitch online shop? So let's go ahead and jump in. First thing we have here are these drops from Cover FX. I've gotten these before for for referring somebody who used my link. They sent me the highlighting drops, the pink ones that I did not use. I actually gave them away because I don't like pink, but these are different. These are the glitter drops, and I don't know if these are new or if these have been out or if they're limited edition. I didn't know Cover FX had glitter drops, but these are in the shade Nova. They retail for $44, and I have it on today. Honestly, I don't think the camera's doing it justice. These are stunning. Oh, they're so pretty. Camera, do me some justice here and just show off how beautiful these are. Like, those are beautiful, right? I love more of like a goldish highlight because I feel like it complements my skin tone a little bit better. So I'm interested to see how these wear. I don't have a highlight on top. I was gonna put a highlight over top of it because, to be honest, like, I feel like liquid highlights just aren't as intense as I want them to be until I go over it with an actual highlighter. I don't even have anything on top, and it just looks like, it looks so pretty. I really like the way that it looks, so I'm excited about that. That retails for $44. That already paid for the box. And then we have this palette. This is from Beaute, I think is how you say it. This is called the Grandiose palette, and this retails for $24.99, so 25 bucks. Really beautiful palette. I enjoyed this so much. I know it's another warm tone palette, but I love warm tone palettes, and that's what I use. I don't use a lot of cool tones. I like cool tones. It's not that I hate them. I just reach for these more because they're more flattering. But this is, oh my god, stunning. Just blended really nicely. I'll go ahead and show you some swatches right here. Let's go ahead and just put this on my arm. Like, just really nice. Oh, that one looks a little patchy, but I think it's just the way that I put it on, but just really nice, like intense shimmers, really nice mattes. The mattes blended really beautifully, especially this really pretty coral shade. I don't know that I have a color like this in my collection. I can't recall of one. Maybe oh, you know what, maybe I do in an Anastasia palette, but this was just so pretty. I really like this corally color, and then this color is also really beautiful. This one down here, Rose. It's different, like it's kind of like a hot pink, almost like a pressed pigment, but surprisingly I like it. Let me go ahead and show you guys a swatch here. I have makeup, like I'm literally covered in makeup, but do you just see how intense that is? Really pretty. And then this one, Myrtle. I like that they named that Myrtle. That's funny. I have an alter ego. She's an 80-year-old woman, and she gets tired after a couple of drinks and falls asleep on everybody's couch. I can fall asleep anywhere. If I'm at a party and I'm tired, I will go into the guest room, or I will make myself comfortable on the couch and fall asleep. True story, I am that exciting. I know, you guys probably think I'm like the coolest person, but I'm actually not. So my alter ego is an 80-year-old woman named Myrtle. When I hear that name, I just start laughing because it's kind of like an inside joke between us that like when I start to get tired or if I fall asleep somewhere, everybody's like, oh, Myrtle's out. Yeah, my alter ego isn't somebody cool, it's an old woman. But this shade Myrtle is so beautiful. It's like a pressed pigment. I used it on the outer and the inner corner of my eye. It's so beautiful. The pan sizes are bigger than like your typical shadow size. So yeah, really beautiful palette. I did enjoy this so much. And then we have this brush set from Luxie. I love Luxie brushes. I love that I get so many Luxie brushes in my Boxycharms because I am a massive Luxie brush fan. They're beautiful. They are a little bit more pricey. Like if you were to purchase them individually, I think they're kind of like similar to Sigma brush price point, but this is a brush set. It's called the Luminous Eye brush set. It retails for $21. These brushes are not like something that you would use for probably like an everyday look. Like these are something I would use more for detail work. I used this one today. It kind of reminds me of my little BH one, but a little bit bigger. I used this today to kind of concentrate a little more of like a defined crease color. This one I'm excited for because sometimes I have a problem getting in my inner corner with my concealer. I always do eyes first and then face last. Sometimes it's hard to get up in here, especially to cover up darkness with a sponge. I thought this one would be really great to get up in that corner with my concealer. This one would be perfect for the outer V if you just want to pack on color. I should have used that today. I don't know why I didn't use it, but this one would be nice for that. And then this pencil brush, you can use this for the lower lash line, inner corner, or brow bone. I use this for my inner corner and brow bone highlight today. I always know that I'm gonna like Luxie brushes because I already know I love their quality and the sparkle is so pretty. I mean, come on, so cute, right? So yeah, that retails for $21. That actually is the price of the box if you think about it. Okay, we got this eyeliner from Jonteblu, I think is how you say it. This is the Glittering Star eyeliner. Retails for $5. We got one of these before and I don't like this eyeliner. I used it today. It looks pretty when you have it on your hand, but I found that it just doesn't want to stay in my waterline. Like I put it on and I feel like it's already worn away. It's not a really intense liner, so if you're not into black liner, like you guys know, I never put liner in my waterline. Very seldom I'll put liner in my waterline. I'm just not a fan of it. So I don't have a use for this. Now this is cool in the sense that it has a silver sparkle in it. So it's different. You know, it is something different in the box, like other than your typical black liner, but I'm just not a fan of this liner. I had to apply this in my waterline twice and even still it's not really like sticking. So yeah, only $5. I mean, it's whatever. You win some, you lose some with this box, but I feel like the majority of the stuff I liked besides the liner, so it's not really that big of a deal for me. The last thing we got were these lashes, and these are from Lashaholic. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm excited to find a new brand of lashes to play with, and these are called the Instaglam False eyelashes. These retail for $14.99. I have them on today. I'll go ahead and insert a clip of them that I took before I applied them, but they're really pretty, more on the natural side. When I first saw them on the Boxycharm Instagram, I saw they were called Instaglam and I was like, oh, I'm excited because I love a really thick dramatic lash. That's my style. I hardly ever reach for a natural lash even if I don't have a lot of eye makeup on. These are a little more on the natural side, but they're pretty because they kind of go from long to short and then long to short like throughout the whole strip. So they add a little bit of definition to the eye, and I added a little bit of mascara just to the tip of the lashes to make them look a little thicker, and I actually really like them now that I have them on and I have the lashes on. Sometimes it's nice to just have a more natural pair of lashes, you know? I know that thick caterpillar lashes are not for everyone, so I can appreciate that they have something that's kind of like a in between a super natural lash and then a dramatic lash. But yeah, I actually really like these now that I have them on. I think these would be pretty for like a no makeup day. So yeah, that's actually it. I just wanted to do a quick little video to show you guys what we got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you in my next one. I don't think I have anything else to say. I'm gonna go ahead and do a haul because that was my Sephora VIB order, and then I've picked up a couple of new things here and there, so I'm gonna film that for you guys. Actually, I think I'm gonna wash my hair and get ready for my day because I have stuff to do tonight, and then I'll go ahead and film that for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe before you go and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!